हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं इतनी लाल पड़ी सोन पड़ी बन के इसलिए बैठी हुई हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज अबाउट अ फुल फ्लेज्ड फेस्टिव लुक दैट वी आर गोना बी डूइंग। इफ यू कुड नॉट मेक इट आउट टिल नाउ, हाउ डम ऑफ यू। पहले 15 सेकंड में मैंने तुमको क्रिटिसाइज कर दिया। ये सबसे हजम नहीं होता। देखो, तुम स्पेशल हो इसीलिए तुम डाइजेस्ट कर पा रहे हो, मतलब धैर्य चाहिए होता है इसके लिए। ग्लैड यू हैव इट। तुम यहाँ पहली बार आए हो? नहीं, तुम पिछले वीडियो से आए हो, है ना? आई एम सो हैप्पी, थैंक यू सो मच। क्या हुआ पता है? फॉर द वंस हु डोंट नो द होल कॉन्टेक्स्ट, बिकॉज मैंने जो लास्ट वीडियो बनाया था दैट वाज लाइक 2 weeks बैक, it blew up somehow. I don't know how it happened. You guys really seem to enjoy it. So उसके बाद I was at 14K subscribers back then. Now suddenly I'm at 19 right now as I'm making it. तुम्हारा बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। कोई भी मुझे देख ले, मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार हो जाता है उसके ऊपर। इतना गहरा प्यार ये मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था। I'm flattered. Amazon's Great Indian Festival Sale is going on, just in case you did not know. खतरनाक डिस्काउंट्स एंड ऑफर्स भी बहुत खतरनाक चल रहे हैं। लाइक कॉम्बोज में ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं, मुझे कुछ फ्री गिफ्ट्स भी मिले। कूल। I'm gonna show it to you guys. I have a couple of records for you guys, जो कि फेस्टिव सीजन के लिए इससे बेहतर प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं मिलेंगे तुमको। These I have like literally छान के निकाले मैंने। ये जो लुक मैंने बनाया है ये 7 to 8 प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ ही बनाया गया है। सिर्फ इसमें ना कि कोई कंसीलर है, इसमें पाउडर भी नहीं है। I want to first of all tell you why I have created a super like bold on the eyes, bold on the lips look, because it is festive season. Listen, if anybody is trying to tell you कि go muted on the lips or go पूरे साल हम वो फॉर्मूला मेथड यूज करते रहते हैं। यू नो, वी पुट असाइड द बोल्ड कलर्स बिकॉज फेस्टिव लगेगा। यूटिलाइज द फेस्टिव सीजन। तुम इसके बाद या इसके आगे ये करने वाले हो नहीं, तुम सारे बोरिंग शेड्स लगाओगे तो कर लो, अभी जी लो जिंदगी। सो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव डन दिस। रियली आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग इन द रेड्स एंड द गोल्ड्स। दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव डन. Press the subscribe button and yeah, let's get started with today's video. Starting off with obviously the primer. मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा हुआ ये लॉरियल वाला लास्टिंग प्राइमर यूज करते हुए इससे पहले. It looks like a cream. It's supposed to at the end give you like a mattifying finish, but then it's supposed to feel very hydrating. It's giving me like that floral, मतलब शादी के बिस्तर पे जो सजाया हुआ. Don't get the wrong ideas, but then हाँ, थोड़ा वैसा ही अच्छा, it's good. I'm liking it. It absorbed into the skin very quickly. It's feeling hydrated also, and there's a little bit of shine. For the foundation, I have picked up something that you absolutely cannot beat. I have picked up the Maybelline Superstay. It is literally the perfect foundation for the Indian climate, considering the festive season. You know you're gonna sweat. For sure, but then you also want to have like a full coverage. In that case, nothing beats this foundation, especially if you're on a budget. Guess what? I could have gotten free with this foundation. Look, wildest guesses. करो, मैं बताती हूँ. ज़्यादा नहीं करना पड़ेगा. I got this oval shaped foundation blending brush. Now I actually have quite a few like blenders, but मेरे पास ये oval shape वाला था ही नहीं. And the fact that I got it free with this one. I mean, इसका loan price is somewhat around 750 rupees के around होता है. But obviously because of the Amazon's Great Indian Festive Sale, ये दोनों मिला के मुझे कितने में मिले guess करोगे? I got it for somewhat around 550 rupees. Yes, I'm like, ले लो, पैसे ले लो. And I think I've done quite a few brand product based reviews, but I've never really done any with Maybelline. I think I'll do that next. But quickly I'm gonna swatch this on. This one's literally full coverage, like full coverage. फाउंडेशन इज सो फुल कवरेज. एक्सीडेंटली मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा ब्लेंड कर दिया था, मेरा आधा लिप गायब हो चुका है. I'll be right back. It is fully matte. This cuts down your time from having to put powder, and second having to put concealer. Do not even try to go in with a liquid concealer on top of this. I don't know how you would blend it. Don't. For the next product, I have the Contour de Force palette from Sugar Cosmetics. This is how it looks, and it has got 3 things in it. It has the blush, it has the highlighter, and it has the contour. Generally you get this for somewhat around 800 rupees, but obviously because of Amazon's Great Indian Festive Sale, I'm getting this one for somewhat around 650 or something. Exact pricing, exact link सारे के सारे नीचे होंगे, वहाँ से देख. Multi-purpose चीजें ना बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. Especially I'm not biased here, but Sugar के जो multi-purpose palettes होते हैं, they're really good, bro. Like the pigments, the quality. I have their Superwoman collection का. I think I reviewed that also in one of my previous videos. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out. And the pigments, blush to highlighter to everything, spot on. They really work on their pigments. I love that. Pat it, lift it. I like to fake like a little long neck by just putting the contour here and here. ये जो tapered type के eyeshadow brushes होते हैं ना, थोड़े से fluffy वाले, I feel like these are really good to do like the nose lining thing. Do remember to go in a little bit with the blender again because you don't want like a very streaky sort of line here. वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, मतलब पता चल जाएगा कि छल कपट हो रहा है, वो मत करो. I love doing highlighter on my Cupid's bow, but I do not like doing this. I look like Hanumanji right now. The blush is like really subtle. The setup base looks great. Moving on to the eyeshadow palette, the real deal, you guys. I'm always very excited about the eyeshadow palette because eye makeup just changes the whole thing. Plus the lashes, and oh my god. Now, first of all, the eyeshadow palette that I got, I wanted something supremely festive. मैंने ये वाला eyeshadow palette मॉल में देखा हुआ था. 1000 रुपये का आ रहा था. So I thought कि नहीं लूँगी मैं, बाद में लेना है इसको. And my decision was very correct because I got this Faces Ultimate Pro eyeshadow palette in the Glimmer 03 variant for somewhat around 650 rupees. ऐसा ही कुछ था pricing. Just check this out. It has like festive shades. There's like beautiful pinks. There's some brown tones out here. There's the little transition shade as well. And the goldens are so freaking beautiful. One thing I really like about Amazon deliveries, yeah, the things that I ordered, I always get them like quicker than most other shopping apps. Maybe it's because I have the Prime membership, probably, but then it's worth it. I mean, you don't want to wait. I know I live in the Northeast, but then I don't want to wait like forever to get all my product. Packing this shade to go in on the crease. You want to do circular motions, swirl. I feel like this shade is really calling out to me today, so this is what's gonna go on my lid. This very powdery sort of nice. Pulling my mirror a little bit to be able to see clearly. I hope you don't mind that distraction. I could have actually very easily done this glitter shade with this one only. I don't know why I use my finger. Picking up this lighter golden shade to go in on the inner corners. Adding some shimmer on the inner corner is literally the easiest way to make your eyes look bigger and woke, like easy. Also going in my brow bone. I have two eyeliners. Here's a black one and here's a golden one. The golden one I really want to, like festive season, right? You want to do that little golden wing on top of your black liner, we're gonna do that. You want to go a little longer if you are doing a festive liner, right? And you want to drag it a little on the inside. Okay, a quick fix. I want to do this little line right here. For mascara, I got the L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. मैंने इसके बारे में इतना सुना हुआ है. बहुत सारे influencers हर time इसी के बारे में बात करते रहते हैं. So I was like, and इस बार especially because ये 800 का आता है originally, somewhere around 800, and I got it for 550 around. I was like, yes, I should get this. I haven't unpacked it. We're gonna do that together. Let's see what this is all about. Bro, इसमें कुछ भी weight नहीं है. Like, do you have the product inside? Do you? We're gonna see. It's a normal looking spoolie. Yeah, I'm gonna test this out. Is eye pe I'm gonna use the curler. Is eye pe I'm not gonna use the curler. It is indeed very voluminizing. Do you see that? I think now I know why people like this so much. Like, it's a very thick formulation. मेरे जो lashes है वो साथ में चिपक के मतलब बड़े हो गए. I think that is why people like it. Like, it's yeah okay, it's very thick, the formula. Do you guys see the difference between this eye and this eye? You don't have to worry about curling your lashes at all. इस पे तो मैंने curl किया भी नहीं. Same effect because it's very thick, so it's very voluminous. It's sort of feeling a little heavy also on my lashes. Like, fake lashes इससे भी heavy होता है. So I think I'm going to skip on that today. Taking it down to the last product for today, the lipsticks. I have two gorgeous festive shades from the Maybelline Sensational Matte Liquid Lipsticks. These are in the shade 11, that is 11 Made Easy, and 03 Flush It Red. ये दोनों मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा favorite shades है, and both of them, you guys, they look so beautiful on literally. I think these are the two shades that will look good on literally anybody, because this is a beautiful red with like a little pinkish undertone. It's not on the tangy side, it's on the pinky side. It looks very good. And this on the other hand is sort of like a red to brown sort of, can't exactly call it a nude, but it's like a brown red sort of nude. Perfect two shades for festive season. This one right here is the shade 03 Flush It Red, and this one is Made Easy. The lipstick dries out in about 30-40 seconds, and then absolutely transfer proof. Put on a mask, no issues at all. The best part is that it's such an affordable lipstick, guys. This is for somewhat around 350-ish. Finishing this up with the Grand Finale Matte Setting Mist by Sugar. I just had to do it. वहीं पे पड़ा हुआ था, मेरी नजरें गई, and then I couldn't stop myself. Okay, tell me, how do I look? Tell me that in the comments down below. So there you go, guys, your full-fledged and no boundaries sort of a festive wear look. I think we use very less products. हम लोगों ने कुछ 7-8 products use किए ये करने के लिए, but everything was like a matte, full coverage, you know, multi-purpose usage. So everything went very well, right? इस time पे the Great Indian Festival sale that keeps running, it has like discounted products, and for stingy peeps like you and me, it's the best time to invest in products, especially when I had to stock in on some of the products. And guys, listen, the 15k giveaway is still on, but the whole point is that मैंने last 2 हफ्ते से video नहीं बनाया था, bro, because I've been, you know, personal stuff, as I already mentioned. But then you did not just keep me at 15k, you directly threw me on to about 19k as of right now. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have no other words. Thank you so much. But here's the catch. I really wanted to do it in this video, but obviously it's a video for an app, particular app, so I couldn't include my personal giveaway यहाँ पे. So next वाले video पे जाएगा giveaway. Next वाले beauty video पे especially हमारा giveaway रहेगा. Do look out for that, and instead of one, now I'll be doing 2 gift giveaways. एक तो obviously there's makeup, and then there's clothing giveaway. Because you guys are generous, I want to be generous too. And listen, I'm going to Udaipur. I'm going to explore Rajasthan a little bit. So there's gonna be vlogs on that. So keep a check. ये videos तो आते रहेंगे. I'll be making beauty videos. I have a beautiful palette to review next, guys. So that's gonna happen. So stick through. I'll see you guys in another video really soon. Till then, do check out those links and comment तो ज़रूर छोड़ के जाना तुमको. यहाँ पे अगर पहली बार आए हो, दूसरी बार आए हो, मतलब मैंने अभी तक कितने videos बनाए? 40th बार आए हो, तो फिर भी comment छोड़ के जाना. That's how I get to know that you were here. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for joining in. I love you. Bye.